I know you guys absolutely love my knivesdeal.com purchases and things like that, but they have airsoft guns. If it's something you're looking for, they have the safety, they have absolutely everything. Let me hold it up here. It can actually click and it stays open. You can see the ammo in there. As you do know, it's a trigger or a quick release there with your thumb. It'll drop the mag out, the ammunition goes in there, CO2 goes in the other portion, and it is ready to go. Now, I can't shoot it in here because I'll shoot it at that bag real quick. Oh, 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 oh. Now, I'll show you some more things with it. I definitely didn't think it was going to actually, I thought that bottle was empty. Definitely thought that bottle was empty. Oh well. No more wax for me, but you can tell it is a great, cool piece. Very accurate. You won't be disappointed if you purchase this. Now you can purchase through them, take the safety back on, you can purchase through them CO2 and other BBs and things like that. So definitely check them out. Promo code Send It Steve, all one word, and that's obviously knivesdeal.com. Link will be in the description down below for these and the gun. All right guys, so we have Vince's van here and we are actually out here. One of the brake lines. What in the hell? What the? What?
Oh God, Vince, throw yourself out.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay. Well, guys, I think Vince is doing a review. I think Vince is doing a review on the interior now, guys. So if you guys, oh my God, if you guys want to find out what is actually going on the inside, oh, you and Andy need alone time? Unbelievable. We're like, oh, you're on the wheel. Whenever you get 3 grown men child together, or 2.5,
I don't think I can handle that much.
hold on, pull forward, pull the door forward. Let me get the wheel back out from Lodge.
I ran out of candy. Andy wants out.
So guys, if you do want to see the rest of the interior, definitely head on over to Tunnel Chaser's channel, check him out. Also, we got Andy Diablo Formula Racing here. Definitely check him out. Andy again, Diablo Formula Racing, definitely check him out. We're just out here. I'm trying to make the brake lines and get this thing mobile and everything.
Chocolate bunny.
I want a chocolate bunny.
You can have yours too.
Yay.
I love you.
I literally just got done saying how I'm out of candy. Andy wants out.
Yeah, my kids come out. And then we got our chocolate bunnies. But definitely, guys, check out Tunnel Chaser. This is his project, guys. I know I've said it a million times on the channel, but this is his project. So he's going to explain what he's doing on the interior and everything like that. And I'm going to go ahead and just make it drivable and safe for him to go down the road.
Safe.
One-man operation. Pretty solid stream there, but we'll do it about 2 more times. Before I call it good, we're gonna double check the driver's side here. Oh yes, we are good to go. I think we finally are gonna have brakes in this bad girl. Let's get the wheels on. Well, the other wheel. This wheel's already on. I cannot believe that I'm about to take this thing for a drive. Fuel pump on. Nope, fuel pump is... Now fuel pump is on. All right. 1, 2. Come on, RJ. Oh, yeah. What in the hell is shooting all over me? right, well, I don't know why I was shooting transmission fluid out of the dipstick here, but we just got to try to drive this thing. That's all I want to know, if this thing's gonna run and drive down the road, and then we'll figure out if maybe they got too much transmission fluid in it or what. But what a fun task. Well, let's try round 2. Nothing appears to be flying on me at this point. It does appear to be idling a little better. I don't really know what just flew all over me, guys. I'm sorry about that, but I just want to see if this thing's going to drive under its own power. Oh, it is. She's moving. Oh, and she stops. And she stops. Look at that. And she stops. Oh, yes. It actually is correct now. I don't know if you've seen the last video or not, but as soon as you would take your foot off the gas or the brake, it wouldn't do anything. But now, as soon as I come up off the brake, I mean, she's rolling. I mean, So, let's get out here and take RJ for a spin. Oh, it's a little nerve-wracking. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I am literally in a van that I know absolutely nothing about, and I'm pretty sure there's no license plate. Oh, I feel so high in the air too. Oh, it's driving. It's driving. Oh, yes. RJ is driving down the road under its own power. Oh, Vince, I dropped your coffee. Wow, this is sort of impressive in a weird way. Oh, she's still not fully warmed up yet. She'll go. She's going. We gotta definitely let her warm up next time. I cannot believe that I'm in this thing. Alright, so one of the first things I'm noticing is I have absolutely no speedometer. I don't think any of the gauges work. Definitely not, but she's driving. I mean, surprisingly, for this thing not being on the road in I don't know how many years, this thing's actually not doing too terrible. You're hearing probably a lot of wind noise because I don't have an intake for the center tunnel or anything on, which is all back there. But guys, we are out and about in Project RJ. Driving down the road, like the wheel's not even super bouncy or anything. Like, this is freaking cool. I am so glad that Vince got this project, and I can't wait to get this to Vince so we can just have some fun with it. So let me pull over here and I'm gonna finish editing this video. Or let me pull over here, I'm gonna finish talking about it, and then we'll go from there. But RJ's driving, yes! Oh my gosh. Now that I'm able to actually drive this thing, I've got to admit, guys, this thing is kind of cool in its own weird way. Now, we still got a bunch of things we got to do to it, obviously. Vince is going to have to go ahead and get it registered and everything like that. As you do know, we are just kind of riding around bogus. We're going to have to get our light situation fixed and everything like that. But, oh man, guys, RJ is alive. RJ is ready to drive, and I can't wait to just get Vince in this thing and having fun. Like, this thing is a freaking monster. Holy cow. Even driving it, guys, I mean, it is super bouncy, but what a blast to drive. Now, I'm only about 1.5 miles from my house and things like that, but I am going to actually drive it down to the down to probably McDonald's or somewhere. I'll stop and get some food or something. But guys, RJ is in the streets. All right, guys, so there you have it. If you like the content, I can promise you we got a bunch more cool projects like this This thing is freaking cool. Now, another project that you guys do know about is I do have the Bruce project, which is a K5 Blazer with a Honda Civic. Well, it's a Honda Civic sitting on a K5 Blazer frame. Now, that thing is going to get rolling and rolling pretty fastly. I do finally have the parts to go ahead and start putting that thing back together. But I wanted to go ahead and get Vince's van ready so that he can get this thing out of my driveway. I mean, it's cool and all, but it's time to go. So there you have it, guys. If you want to see any more content on this thing, you're gonna have to shoot over to Vince's channel. There, his information is Tunnel Chaser and everything like that. Great guy. And I can assure you, once the Bruce is running, we are gonna have a lot of fun with these vehicles. So again, guys, if you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next upload. What a freaking blast. RJ's alive. Welp, RJ strikes again. Got a little bit of a walk. That's all I ever show the YouTube is failure. Definitely. I don't know why I get myself in these kind of projects. Walking home.